Hi everyone, this is Arvind from AllCPL. Topic for today's session: how to download Oracle database software. To download the Oracle database software, first we open the browser and search Oracle database software download, or you can browse the official website of the Oracle. Okay, this is official website of in Google. Just search in Google Oracle database software download. Okay, so download page is visible. In the download page, multiple application available: Oracle, Solaris, Microsoft Windows, Linux. So different operating system. So basically I want to download for the Windows. Just click on the Microsoft window. Click on zip download. When you click on the download, the login page is visible. Just log into the official website of Oracle. If you don't have any accounts, click on create account and then sign in and download this file. Actually I am downloaded, so I will just stop this. This file is downloaded in downloaded folder. Just copy this file into the C drive and extract this file. Just to maximize the screen, right click and extract this file. The file is extracted. Just rename this file to DB home. Just rename this folder DB home. In DB home, in this folder having one file, setup. Just click on the setup file. Double click on the setup file, or just do one thing: right click, run as administrator. Click on S. Now installation is progress. This is latest version of Oracle 19C. Click on the next. Database class and server class. Select the database class. Select the create new window user. Enter the username and the password. Now click on the next. Here enter the password. This password is used during the login into the database, so please remember this password. Click on next. Okay, this password is not Oracle standard. Click on OK. This we are using for the testing purpose or for learning purpose. So click on OK. Okay, it's getting error. Okay, just click on S. Specified Oracle database invalid. C is invalid. Okay, location. Okay, just select the location. Suppose I'm select the location this. Now finally click on the install button. Finally click on close button. Now the application installed successfully. To check the application is installed on system, just open the CMD file. Open the command prompt. And type the two commands: set Oracle underscore SID and the second command SQL Okay, it means application is working installed successfully.